How's it going, everyone? Nick at MarineMax Cross Lake. Today I'm in a 2026 Nautique S21. This boat features the Z5 engine. That's 355 horsepower. This boat comes with 2,650 pounds of standard ballast. At the helm, we have our Link Panorama touchscreen. From here, I can control every aspect of this boat, from the music to the wave, ballast. I can also control all of the lights, as well as the driver heated seat and our heater fans as well too. This boat also has helm command, so if I don't want to use the touchscreen, I can go to this dial right here, and I can also control all aspects of the boat from this dial. The bow is rated for 3-person capacity. With that filler cushion, there's plenty of space here to lounge around, hang out. And if you need to accommodate more leg room, this bow filler cushion is removable. This S21 has some really nice rear-facing seating arrangements as well too. So if we're watching our skiers, surfers, wakeboarders, we're not going to miss a second of the action. Also very easy to tuck away and put back into position. Just like that, we're back into our more traditional seating arrangement. You can check out this boat on our website at MarineMax.com, or you can stop at our Cross Lake location and see it for yourself.